I kind of want to talk about some of my troubles with women. People say that it's like, oh, it's like your attitude, you know, like I'll stand on a corner and, you know, with my douchey little sunshade, and I'll just like, I think to myself, come dumpster. So like I'll go up to a girl and I'll be like, hey, my name is Freddie. The first thing out of my mouth is, I have a boyfriend. Yeah, okay, so what does that mean? Like, you're not willing to cheat on him? Like, what, you know, like, okay, everybody has boyfriends and girlfriends. I have never met a single woman to this day in California, man. I'm from New York, and it just totally pisses me off. So, I'm just like, you know, maybe it's like my attitude, you know, because I say to myself, you know, I don't know, man, just, it's the attitude, because they give me a lot of shit sometimes, like when I'm lucky enough to get laid with a girl, you know, like, I'll pull out and I'll just see shit on my dick because I didn't have a condom on. It's like, stop giving me shit, you know? It sucks, you know, it sucks. But lately what I've been doing is I just said, fuck it, I'm just going to lower my standards. I'm going to start picking up girls at the welfare office. Picking up girls at the welfare office is not a bad thing, okay? You go in there with a bucket of KFC, you're good. You're gonna get the girl, make sure it's crispy, you're good, you're gonna get some. But you know, LA girls are just like so superficial, man. They just have the basketball breasts, and you know, it's just totally, you know, bugs me out. Sometimes I was standing like at a coffee shop, and you know, in LA you see like porn stars over here. So like the other day I was sitting at a coffee shop in Sunset. And right across from me, there's like this big time porn star. I was like, oh my God, can I suck on those? They was like, no, you can't. It's not for the public use. You know, I'm from New York originally. Anybody here from New York?
Yeah.
Woo. Yeah?
Yeah.
Say it hard.
What?
Say it hard.
Say hard?
Yeah.
Hard.
Anyway, what part of New York? You gotta think about it? You gotta think about it?
Fuck you, man. I didn't grow up there. I was born there. I was born in Manhattan, and then I grew up in Washington State.
You say it like a drunk, you know, like a drunk.
I am kind of drunk.
You are kind of drunk. I like that. You are a New Yorker. Alright, well, this is my time. Just keep it short. Thank you.
Frederick Pena.